Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my the Witchcraft Way box for July, or the W box for July. Let's check it out. Okay. I don't ever read this first, but it looks like protection magic is the theme. Oh, I love these little books. Essential oils to destroy the patriarchy. Remedies formulated for modern women and thousand-year-old witches. So cute. Cute little book. I think Microcosm Publishing also did my other box, the Practical Witchcraft Almanac, and I really liked. Explaining. Oh, it's just different little oils, so that's really cute. Ooh, I love me some sage. Potion of Protection Tea Blend. Green tea, jasmine, yarrow, chamomile, and calendula. Yum, yum, yum. And we've got a protection oil. Helps with defense. Okay. Very cool. Let me smell this. Ooh, smells odd. Maybe like something spicy. We've got something here wrapped in like a tissue paper. Oh, I love it. A beautiful black tourmaline. Lovely. Absorb that negativity. I love it. Peace and protection working candle. Rosemary, sage, and cedar. Those are my favorite smells. And it does. It smells delicious. Protection spell bottle kit. Very cool. Also widow. We got some rosemary. We've got a cord. And we've got a little tiny spell bottle. It's so cute. I love it. It's really cool. Alright, let's read the insert. As a witch, protection from negative energies, harmful or mischievous personal spirits, and others who wish to bring harm is vitally important to our craft. This month's Protection Magic W box helps you maintain clarity about your craft while staying protected. It's packed with tools to help you remove negativity in all its forms so you can stay focused and empowered as you work your magic. Oh, it's Black Obsidian Tower. Obsidian is perfect for everyone who is looking for protection, shielding, and grounding energy. Use this to channel and store protective energy during your work. White Sage Clearing Bundle. Smoke cleansing is a great way to reset the negative energy within your spaces. Use this to remove unwanted aspects as you work with your protection magic this month. Peace and Protection Working Candle. Sturdy blend of rosemary, sage, and notes of cedar that assist you in sending your protection magic outward. Topped with organic rosemary leaves. Protection Bottle Spell Kit. Here. So cute. Spell Kit helps you create a wearable bottle infused with all the protective energy that you can generate. Don't leave home without it. Protection Oil. Delightful roll-on. Protection Oil is a quick way to bring all the protective power of your spells and rituals with you. It's by Wicked Good Co. Essential Oils to Destroy the Patriarchy is by Erin Nicole O'Neill. With a hefty dose of irreverent self-satire, Erin O'Neill shares the essential oil recipes that she uses to treat her woes so that you can too. And Blackthorn Hoodoo Blends. Goddess of Protection in the Crossroads, worshipped by torchlight, black tea lights, and the way, flavored with almonds for wisdom and knowledge, and lavender buds remind us who is queen. Cool. A protective blend of green tea, jasmine, yarrow, chamomile, and calendula. I think we're talking about the same thing, unless I misplaced something. Because they don't mention anything else but this. But usually, so this little container looks different than this little container, so maybe I just got it, or maybe I don't know. I'll have to check out other people's unboxings and see. So, very cool. This is the W box, or the Witchcraft Way. Very cool box. I like it. Everything's very useful and just very practical. and I dig that. So as always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.